So far, with all of the connection methods we've looked at, translate of one object controls translate of another object. Rotate of one object controls rotate of another object. Scale controls scale. The only exception was aim, and you saw that that one was a little bit fancier than the others. But let's say that you want to go completely crazy and have the scale of one object drive the translate of another object. Or have scale drive rotation, or anything you want. Go crazy. You can do that by writing a custom expression. To write an expression, you need to be very careful about the names of your objects. So mine are box curve and arrow curve. I think I will write my expression on the arrow curve because box curve has fewer characters. I've got my arrow curve selected. I will take its scale X. Let's do scale X. In the edit menu of the channel box, this first box here is for expressions. When creating expressions, it's a little bit like scripting. It's easier though, because you get more information and the things you're going to be doing are a little simpler. So what I see here is the object I have selected and its available attributes. I've got scale X selected, so when I write my expression, I will be starting with this attribute right here. I can just take that, Control C, and Control V. So now the scale X of the arrow curve, I am going to set equal to, let's say, the rotation. So let's tell it the box curve dot rotate. Sure, let's do rotate Y. And we'll multiply that. Will we? No, we won't. We'll just leave it there. Now, when I create this, it's going to look a little weird because it's going to look like my curve vanishes, and that's because my curve currently has a scale X that is set to 0, and that's because the box has a rotate that is set to 0. So as I take this box and I rotate it, let's see, which rotate did I use? Eventually I'll get that curve back and you'll see that I can start really using that rotate to adjust the scale. So expressions are amazing, and if you like scripting and you like playing tricks on people, you're going to have so much fun with this. It's going to be great. The big advantage that they give you is that you can control all kinds of things in all kinds of really random fashions. The script editor is not the greatest window that Maya has. In fact, I would say that it is one of the poorest, but it's totally possible for me to come in here. Let's just add a +1 so that the box, the arrow never completely disappears. And now I can also take this and I can just edit this one expression. Let's control all 3 of the scales, even though I know I'm working with a curve and it doesn't really have 3 scales. So we'll say edit there, and now as I rotate this, I'm getting a uniform scale. So they're easy to edit once you get used to the script editor. And yeah, you can do all kinds of wacky things with them, and it's super fun. So just bear that in mind. Expressions are fun. The expression editor will give you a few hints as to what it's doing, and the rest of it you will be able to figure out. It's a lot of common sense, and it tells you how it works. We'll get more into expression editing later, and we'll do some actual examples, but they're really easy. You'll love the expression editor. Once you get used to it, you'll want to write expressions for everything. It's going to be great. You have so much to look forward to.